or back to my channel. I'm Katie Melissa, and today I'm sharing one hot product you can start selling on Amazon this fall that's trending, low competition, and packed with profit potential. If you've been stuck trying to find your next product, this one is backed by real sales data, rising search trends, and supplier margins that actually make sense. Whether you're just starting out or already running an online store, this product could be a game changer. We're talking about a fun, visual, high-demand item that's already bringing in over $50,000 a month for sellers, and some of them have less than 30 reviews. So let's dive in. Here's exactly what it is, why it's selling so well right now, and how you can launch it fast and smart just in time for the holiday season. I use the AMZScout platform to help me find this product. So check out this report that will be linked in the description. For purposes of this video, I focused on categories like toys and games, beauty, home improvement, and sports and outdoors, because they're consistent top performers. And guess what popped up? A bubble gun machine. Now before you scroll away, hear me out. This isn't some dollar store toy. This version has 12 bubble wands and blasts out over 4,000 bubbles per minute. It's made from safe, non-toxic materials, and it's leak-proof, lightweight, and perfect for kids, parties, and outdoor fall festivals. But here's the part that got me. One seller is doing over $55,000 a month in revenue with just 25 reviews. That's actually insane. And they're pricing it right, about $35 to $37, which is the perfect spot for impulse buys during the fall season and holiday gift shopping. I cross-checked the data inside the AMZScout Pro extension, and it all lined up. The average seller in this niche is doing around 1,673 units per month and making close to $38,000 in revenue. That's with very little brand saturation. And here's something I always tell new sellers. Look at the RPR, which means revenue per review. It tells you how much money a product makes per review it has. This one, through the roof. That tells me the product is converting well, even without a ton of social proof. Now, if you dig into the niche history, it gets even better. Sales ramp up from March through August, which means you have time to list, optimize, and build momentum before the peak hits again next year. But it also sells during fall festivals, Halloween parties, and family events. So it's not just a summer toy. Next up, let's talk search trends. The term bubble gun is trending on both Amazon and Google. I looked at the Google Trends data in the PDF, and the interest is especially strong in places like West Virginia, South Carolina, and Nebraska. That's a goldmine for geo-targeted ads or influencer giveaways. And if you're wondering what keywords to use, here's a few I pulled straight from the report I'll link in the description: mini bubble machine, rechargeable bubble gun, bazooka bubble gun, outdoor toddler toy, and bubble blaster machine. These keywords are amazing for your Amazon listing, PPC campaigns, and even TikTok videos or Instagram Reels if you're doing organic content. Now let's talk suppliers. This product is super affordable to source. The PDF lists suppliers offering this exact product for $2 to $4.50 per unit on Alibaba. Some only require a minimum order of 2 units, so it's ideal if you're testing before scaling. You could easily bundle it with Bubble Solution, offer different colors or theme sets, and stand out from other sellers who just slap on a generic listing. Oh, and here's a bonus. Most sellers in this niche are using FBA, which means you can jump in without having to ship anything yourself. Amazon handles the logistics, and you focus on listing, branding, and driving traffic. The bottom line, this is a beginner-friendly, low-risk, high-reward product that checks all the boxes, and it's backed by real data, not just hype. So if you want to build your first or next profitable product on Amazon, try following this exact process using AMZScout. This is exactly how I find hidden gems that haven't gone viral yet, but will soon. Again, just to recap, AMZScout is made for Amazon sellers who want to find real opportunities, not just viral fads. What I love about it is how it filters products based on sales, competition, price range, and demand. You don't have to guess anymore. I specifically set my filters to look for the following: price range between $10 and $100, low competition, so no Amazon brand domination, and at least $3,000 per month in revenue. And if you want more product ideas like this, ones with real revenue and low review counts, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I've got more coming just like this one. I will see you in my next video.